Hey folks, it's Lance from JR Jeep. Yesterday didn't go quite as planned. My last video recording to you was basically that I was stopping in Houghton to get gas and then head down onto the trail, hit the Bill Nichols Trail, and head south to my destination, which is going to be Crandon, Wisconsin. Well, I got into town and stopped at a gas station, get gas, fill up before I hit the trail, always a good thing to consider. And when I was filling up, I always like to do a walk around the Jeep just to make sure everything looks good in that. And I happened to notice what I thought was moisture on my sway bar in front towards the driver's side. And I saw a drip on the ground. And I'm going, okay, well, let's take a look at this. And the best I could see was that, to me, it looked like the transmission cooler. And the fluid looked like that was it as well. So did a quick search and found a place just down the corner from there. So I thought, well, I'll go check right away. In checking, the guy was very nice about it, but he said, no, I'm booked out till next Wednesday. There's no way I can get you in. And when I was leaving there, I had asked him, is there any other place you would suggest? He suggested a place down the block, about a block and a half on the same side of the road. I'm going, okay, I'll check that out. His one mechanic came out and took a look, and he said, yeah, it does look like the transmission cooler, but sorry, we can't do anything right now. I'm going, okay. So I get back in the car, I'm driving down there, and I see the place that they're talking about, which is behind a McDonald's. But then I just happened to notice out the right side of my eye a place, and I saw auto repair, and the only thing that caught my eye is it had many stalls. I'm just thinking, well, that's a good sign maybe. So I decided I'm going to go try that place first. So I pulled in, walked in. Jason, the gentleman behind the counter, which is the service writer, said, oh yeah, we're pretty busy. Probably be next Monday before I can get you in. I explained to him the situation. He goes, well, let me take a look. He comes out, takes a look at it, and goes, I can't really tell for sure. Yeah, I said, that's the same thing I could see. Either there's a line or it could be the cooler itself is bad. And he goes, we got to get it on a hoist. And he goes, give me a minute. He walks back in the shop, and then 2 minutes later, I see a pickup pull out on one of the hoists. And he comes back on and goes, we were just finishing up on that one anyway. Let's get you in and take a look at this so we can confirm what it is. I mean, that's awesome in its own right to me. I mean, he took an extra step. So he got it on. He said, sit tight. We'll take a look. His mechanic comes in and goes, yeah, it is a transmission cooler. So then they decide, well, let's call. So they called a couple parts houses in the area. Of course, nobody had it. That's not unusual. But they said they could get here by tomorrow, which was yesterday. They would get here by today at 7:30. So he said, you know, we can fill you, and you can go south. Doesn't seem to be leaking that bad, but I'm just thinking to myself, there's no major big town after Houghton that I could even stop in. So I'm just going, heck, order the part. I'll see if I can find a place to put up for today, and we'll go at that. So I come back there at 7:30 in the morning. Part hadn't arrived yet, but he said he got a call from one guy that said part was late, but he also informed me he ordered from 2 places the part, just in case, because they only work until noon today. I was thankful for that. Number one, redundancy. But anyways, the one part came at about 7:50. Saw the truck pull in. He just was saying, he said, oh, and there's one truck now. Sure enough, that was a part. 10 minutes later, he had it on the hoist, and had it in the stall, and started working on it. And he had told me it takes about an hour and a half to do, which I had looked up online already, and having seen it pass, sounds about right. Took all of that, but got it all done, got me on the road before 10 o'clock. I could start doing the Bill Nichols Trail. Fortunately, I didn't get the video much because it was pouring. The trestles were cool, I will say that. The place I went to is this place. I'm going to put the information for that in my notes in here, in a link. Why am I doing that? Well, number one, they went above and beyond. As a person that's been in customer service all his life, I think that's huge. Not that anybody else is rude, but they went above and beyond after hearing what was going on to try and make it right. And I think it's always good to know these places in various parts of the country, in case you're traveling and sun comes up, that you maybe have a resource to reach out to. So I want to applaud Jason and his crew, number one, all good people. I thank him again. Like I said, I'll put the information in the link here for you so you can add this to your phone book and that. If you're ever in the area, you need a hand, give them a call, stop by. I'm pretty sure you'll be overwhelmed by the customer service aspect of this department. And I asked him, he's been in business since 2006 in this location, so quite a while. So anyways, have a good day, folks. Talk to you later. Till then, stay safe.